Good morning, guys. As you can see, it's a beautiful morning. Welcome back to another video anyway. Today we're getting back up the garage to crack on with some more Skyline wrenching and whatnot we need to do to it. As you can see in the AMG, we have finally received the seat brackets so we can fit them in. So I'm gonna get up there, put them in. I think we're gonna do the bit of the dash today as well, some of the speedo. Yeah, put the speedo in, just button some more things up, but yeah, let's get up there and get it cracked out. Here he is. Right, let's get these things mounted because they're not going to work like that. Rip it open.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go, on we'll go.
Right guys, some more grafting done to the Skyline. Not a big one today, but it takes a while. It takes longer than what you think. I mean, all I did today was fit the mounts to the bottom of the seats and fit them to the car, but they're fixed in there now. It took a while, but hey, it's done. We also got the speedo mounted, which is good. The surround that goes around it, and the actual dash cover as well. But yeah, it's getting there. But I'm off to Greece on Thursday. It is, what day are we on today? Monday today. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get up a garage before then, before I go anyway. So that might be it for a week. But like and subscribe to the channel if you like what's going on so far. Obviously there's plenty more to do on Skyline. We've got some bits coming for this AMG, and I'll catch you next one, guys. Take it easy.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your